everyone, welcome to the second session of Basic English Grammar. Today we are going to talk about pronouns. This course is being presented to you by me. Please rate, review, subscribe and recommend the course. Also please leave your valuable suggestions and comments below. So we start with pronoun. What is a pronoun? So pronoun is basically a word that is used to replace a noun or another pronoun. So you can use pronouns such as he, which, you, none to make the sentence less cumbersome, which we have a clear example, right? तो जब बेसिकली हम किस लिए यूज करते हैं प्रोनाउंस को, जब हमें उन्हें एक नाउन से रिप्लेस करना हो. For example, do you like the captain? I don't like the captain. I think the captain is too arrogant. So it is like a lot of repetition of captain, right? So an easy way out is do you like the captain? I don't like him. I think he is too arrogant, right? So now when you know that there are several pronouns which will seem to be plural but they're actually singular, right? Because they take singular verbs. So in that case, like these pronouns are here: anybody, anything, each, either, everybody, nobody, right? They are followed by a singular verb. For example, not one of the bananas was ripe, right? Because basically you are referring to one banana. So it's going to be singular. It will take a singular verb, was ripe. Secondly, everyone has completed a test. So when I say has, it will be everyone. So here it will not be has, have, it will be has. Everyone has completed the test. Moving on, we have relative pronouns. Now what are relative pronouns? Relative pronouns are those which are used to link one phrase or clause to another phrase or clause, right? जब आप एक फ्रेज को दूसरे फ्रेज से लिंक करना चाहो, then like the person who rang me up last night is my teacher. So now you want to tell the person and the person who actually ringed you up. So how will you link that? Who ringed you up? Someone phoned you last night and that was a person, and you want to link it with who, and that becomes your teacher. So relative pronoun basically is that it relates to the word that it modifies and it is not very specific. Now we have 5 relative pronouns: who, whom, whose, that and which. Then there are whoever, whomever and whichever, which are also relative pronouns. Now in these sentences, you know which are the relative pronouns. You may invite whomever you like to the party, like whomever you want. The candidate who wins the greatest popular vote is not always elected. So maybe that even if he's winning the popular vote, he's not being elected. Or the crate which was left at the corridor. So you know there was a crate and there was a that was left at the corridor. So the word that will join it will be which. So the crate which was left at the corridor has now been moved into a storage closet. So in totality, in summary, you know that pronoun is something that replaces another pronoun. All these are singular: everyone, each, not one, anybody, etc. And there are relative pronouns like whom, whose, that and which. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Have a great day.